talk autos now. Hyundai will launch their much-awaited SUV called Creta on the 21st of July. Now, production for this will start on the 20th of June, which is 2 months ahead of its schedule. Why have they decided to prepone the launch and the production? Rakesh Srivastava of Hyundai joins in to give us a sneak peek as to what we can expect from this product. Rakesh, hi, good afternoon. First up, just tell us why you've decided to prepone the launch of this product. Are you noticing a pickup in the demand, especially in this SUV segment?
Greetings to you from Hyundai. And when we look at the auto industry, last couple of months we have seen a positive traction in the auto industry. The auto industry has shown growth, and with the economy improving, and especially with the kind of support that we have got it from Reserve Bank of India in terms of the interest rates. So there is overall a positive sentiment. And when we are talking about in terms of new products, they always bring in heightened amount of excitement, and new products always bring in growth as well in the segments that they are launched in. Hyundai Creta would be launched in the SUV space, and Hyundai has been a very, very strong performer in the compact segment, in the sedan segment, and what we felt that as part of strategy, we required a greater presence in the SUV segment, where we have a premium SUV called the Santa Fe, and recently we launched on the i20 platform a sports style vehicle called the i20 Active. The main body of the SUV, where exactly the volumes of almost around 12,000 units have been there, this is where we felt the options were very, very limited, and as a part of a strategy, we thought of bringing in Creta, the Hyundai Creta. And as you said so, that as far as advancing the launch is concerned, festivals always have played a very important role in a marketing and sales calendar in India. They always see peak sales, because festive buying is a very, very emotional buying, and a lot of customers do tend to prefer buying during festivals. And our experience has been with the Grand and as well as with the Elite. Yes, please.
Sure. No, just to interrupt you.
Our experience has been with the Grand and Elite, where we launched these two.
What is the difference between, say, the Duster, the EcoSport, the Terrano and the Creta? If you had to compare it as an investor, as a buyer, why would I buy the Creta rather than the other products?
In this segment, when you look at SUV, there are two kind of products actually as far as segments are concerned. Some products are below 4 meter length and some of them are above 4 meter length. The products that are below 4 meter length, they tend to enjoy a lower excise duty of almost around 12%. But what happens exactly is the challenge is able to meet the requirement of a true SUV in terms of space, in terms of size, and being able to provide in terms of those safety as well as a powerful engine. As far as Creta is concerned, it is going to be a dynamic product, a stylish product. It would be very, very spacious, and it would be very, very futuristic. And that would be one of the biggest difference as far as the products is concerned in this segment compared to the options that are available in the segment.
All right. Hi, Rakesh. Thanks so much for joining in this afternoon. I'll take your point. It looks like... Yeah, Rakesh. It looks quite good. I mean, prima facie, I'm just looking at some of those visuals. But give us a couple of details. What's the price range that we're looking at for this particular vehicle? And secondly, what's the unit sales you're targeting on a month-to-month basis, if you could give us some guidance?
This segment, actually, the main body of the SUV segment, the price points that are currently available to the customers are between 8 to 12 lakhs. That's the price point most of the products are actually priced in. What we believe in as far as Hyundai products is concerned and Hyundai Creta is concerned, it would be able to propose a very, very high in terms of values, in terms of what we call it around in terms of the exterior styling, because this is world class and it is very, very futuristic. The interiors, and in addition to that, powerful engine specs in terms of petrol as well as diesel. We believe that as far as strategy is concerned and as part of the product is concerned, this would have one of the most powerful engines as far as this segment is concerned. In addition to that, high on features in terms of safety as well as also in terms of transmission, giving an option of manual as well as automatic transmission both. Right. So these are few things which will be very, very strong differentiators with the current products that are available in the market space. And what we believe is that with these strong strengths, Creta would, as like Hyundai products, be a very, very strong performer in this segment, and we hope to do right and have a leadership position in this segment.
Okay, so you said it'll have the most powerful engine, but just one last question. Is it very similar, or will it be based on the i20 hatchback itself? Will it have, thereabouts the same features as the i20 has?
This is totally a new platform, new platform that has been created, and we will be having a global launch of Creta in India, and that is what is the biggest differentiator. Last couple of years, Hyundai Motor Corporation has entrusted us based on the success stories that we've been able to create in terms of our product launches and in terms of successful volumes that we've been able to create, starting from Grand, then the Accent, the Elite i20, that given this pride and privilege of offering it first to the Indian customers. So Creta is a global product, world-class product, will be brought to the Indian customers first, and subsequently it will be launched in the rest of the world, and we would also be exporting it from India.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thank you for joining us and telling us about the latest product from the Hyundai